How to clear cache on Moomoo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily clear your cache data from your Moomoo application using your mobile device. So first things first, open the Moomoo app on your device and log in. Once you're inside the Moomoo application's homepage, go to the bottom and tap on Me. Inside the Me menu, click on Settings at the bottom. Once you're inside the Settings menu, click on General. Under General, swipe all the way down and look for the Clean Cache button and tap on it and click Confirm in the pop-up. This will clear out your cache data from your Moomoo application. Now you need to restart your application so that your cache will be cleared. So that's it. You've just given Moomoo a digital detox and your trading experience should be smooth sailing from here. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.